was February 20th, 2025. Cold morning, quiet yard. 1 minute standing, solid as stone. Next minute gone, hit hard. Steel bent low, timbers down, snow settling on the mess. Didn't yell, didn't curse the sky, just stood there, took a breath. Because when something falls apart, you don't rush, you don't pretend. You start right where you're standing, and you work it to the end. Piece by piece, board by board, you save all that you can. It takes time, it takes grit, but a dream can rise again. Careful demo, step by step, nothing wasted if it's sound. Pulling value from the wreckage, laying order on the ground. Every beam that could be saved, every bolt, every plan. Not tearing down in anger, just working like a man. Because when something falls apart, you don't quit, you don't run, you don't chase some shortcut. You just do what must be done. Slow hands, clear eyes, you give it all you've got. It takes time, it takes work, but dreams don't die on one hard drop. I've learned the hard way more than once. Nothing good is built fast. What lasts is patience under load, and lessons from the past. You measure twice, you live with care. You don't fight what's true, you rebuild stronger than before. 'Cause now you've been through. The workshop lives in every plan, every tool I set aside. Every day I show back up and refuse to let it slide. Steel will rise and walls will stand, stronger than they've been. 'Cause sweat and time and honest work still win in the end. So when it all comes crashing down and the ground feels hard beneath, you don't lose the vision, you just lower it to your feet. Step by step, day by day, you build with what you've got. It takes a while, but work done right rebuilds every dream you thought you lost. February 20th marked the fall, but it wasn't the end. Just the day the rebuilding started, with calloused hands and patience, my friend. I was quiet as the pines, kept my own company. Daddy gone too early, left a wild boy running free. Hellraiser in the swamps, barefoot through the mud. Found peace where the cypress stood and the Blackwater run. 18 came quick, said I do way too soon. Learned the hard way love ain't just a honeymoon. Worked sun up to sundown, calluses on my hands, trying to build something solid out of nothing but plans. Then she came, my baby girl, blue eyes and light. One smile from her and I knew what I was fighting for right. Divorce papers signed, closed a door full of pain. Met the woman who'd walked the long road with me through the rain. It's been the long way home, mile by mile. Tears in the rear view, grace in every smile. From a lost boy in the woods to this gray-headed man, I'd do it all again just to hold who I am. Yeah, it's been the long way home. Learned to read at 28. Words opened up the sky. I packed up the truck for Cornell so I could heal what can't cry. Vet school nights were brutal, books thicker than sin. Wish I'd held my little girl more than I held that pen. She grew up strong without me there every single day. But love don't measure distance, it just finds a way. Stethoscope round my neck, fixing dogs and cats, helping folks say goodbye or welcome new paws on the mat. Back home we dug the ponds, planted food that would last, built a passive solar house and a paradise from the past. Horses in the pasture, orphan fawns by the barn. Every creature taught me more about a healer's heart. Hung up the white coat, said goodbye to the clinic door, but I never stopped working, just changed what I was working for. Mindful living sanctuary, that's what we call this ground, where the dragonflies dance and the quiet is a holy sound. Now the knees creak louder and the sunrise comes slow. We move a little gentler, but we still got places to go. Granddaughter's laughing, great-grandson running wild. Every shovel of dirt still makes tomorrow's child smile. Slowing down ain't quitting when your heart's still in the fight. We're just walking softer on the land we got right. Yeah, it's been the long way home, mile by mile. Scars on these hands, and peace in every smile. From a swamp running boy to this life we've grown, I'd walk it all again for the love I've known. Thank God it's been the long way home. The woods are still calling, the pond still sings soft and low. And I'm still that quiet boy, only now I know which way to go. It's been the long way home, mile by mile. Scars on these hands, and peace in every smile. From a swamp running boy to this life we've grown, I'd walk it all again for the love I've known. Thank God it's been the long way home. The woods are still calling, the pond still sings soft and low. And I'm still that quiet boy, only now I know which way to go.
Woke up this morning, sky was overcast and cold. Coffee in my hand, thought I'd get ahead this time. Opened up the crate, yeah, the one from yesterday. Parts were cracked and bent, wrong size anyway. I could feel that fire rising up inside my chest, but I heard my dad's voice say, boy, anger don't fix mess. Sometimes when things go wrong, I just laugh. What else you gonna do with that? Wrong parts, broke dreams, rain on the parade. I throw my head back, let it roll away. Yeah, sometimes when things go wrong, I just laugh. The door jam's too short, the frame's all warped and split. Instructions in Chinese and none of it fits. Shipping says sorry, FedEx lost the claim, but the sun's still shining and I'm too stubborn for blame. Could curse the sky, kick the dirt, let the whole day burn, or crack a smile and watch the whole damn world turn. Sometimes when things go wrong, I just laugh. What else you gonna do with that? Life's a crooked road full of potholes and traps, but alas, free fuel keeps me rolling on the map. Yes, sometimes when things go wrong, I just laugh. Tears
will come later when nobody's around, but right now I'm standing on my own damn ground. If I lose my cool, the chaos wins the fight, so I choose the crazy and I laugh it into life. Sometimes when things go wrong, I just laugh louder than the thunder, longer than the past. Let the whole world wonder why I'm grinning like a fool, 'cause joy's the best revenge and laughter's my best tool. Yeah, sometimes when things go wrong, sometimes when it all falls down, sometimes when the night's too long, I just laugh. I just laugh. Hell yeah, I just laugh. The sun broke through the clouds today. A golden light chased the gray away. The trees of the forest stand tall, proud and wide. This heart of mine feels a shift inside. I'm rising again, like the morning sun, finding my strength. The battle's not done. Through every storm, through the pouring rain, I'll stand my ground. I'm rising again. My old body's sore, but it still holds strong. Been weathered and worn, but it's still ready to go. The creek runs low, yet it keeps its song. Just like me, it's been here all along. Every scar's a story, every fall a fight, but there's fire in my soul, burning bright. I'm rising again, like the morning sun, finding my strength. The battle's not done. Through every storm, through the pouring rain, I'll stand my ground. I'm rising again. The wind may howl, the nights may freeze, but roots run deep beneath these trees. The road is rough, but I'll carry on. With every step, I'm where I belong. Grandpa's out in the workshop humming, sawdust dancing in the light. He's rebuilding the shop and patching equipment, turning broken into right. Every nail he drives is steady, every gear he makes to spin. He rebuilds the tools of tomorrow with the stories deep within.
Oh, it's a great life on this family farm, hands in the soil, hearts keeping warm. Plenty to do from dawn till the stars, but we're all here, right where we are.
Grandpa, Grandma, Laurie, Andrea, Bree, side by side, that's family. Grandma's in the kitchen steaming, freezing peaches, making meals. Then she's out among the food forest rows, harvest hanging overhead. She tends the nursery with gentle hands, tiny seedlings in a row. Every root she plants is promise, every jar a tale to grow.
Oh, it's a great life on this family farm, hands in the soil, hearts keeping warm. Plenty to do from dawn till the stars, but we're all here, right where we are.
Grandpa, Grandma, Laurie, Andrea, Bree, side by side, that's family. Laurie's running work and hauling with mini me, fixing what needs fixing and lending a hand. Whatever needs a pair of hands, she's there before it's late. Bree takes our great-grandson out to explore the world, shares the lessons about life. That little man exploring the world, the circle starts anew.
Sunset paints a shop in gold now, crows calling in the morn. There's always chores that need a doing, but we're never working torn. From the workshop to the nursery, kitchen glow to cradle song, every task feels like a blessing when the family's where we belong.
Oh, it's a great life on this family farm. Hands in the soil, hearts keeping warm. Plenty to do from dawn till the stars, and it's special, look how far.
Grandpa, Grandma, Lori, Andrea, Bree, great-grandson Keely makes it beautiful.
It's a great life, you and me. Woke up this morning, sun on my face, chasing the dream at my own steady pace. No shortcuts taken, no half-hearted tries. Every step forward lights fire in my eyes. Sweat on the journey, heart in the grind, building the bridge from the now to what's mine. Whatever you do in life, give it your best. Pour in the passion, outshine all the rest. The wins that you stack are the bricks in your wall, foundation for futures that answer your call. You're carving the path, writing stories in time. Skills in your pocket, turn mountains to climbs. Doors swing wide open when effort is true. The life that you're making is waiting for you. Late nights learning, small failures teach. Every scar earned is a lesson in reach. From canvas to code, from stage to the street. Master the craft till your heart beats complete. Doubt tries to whisper, but courage replies. Watch how the effort paints gold in the skies. Whatever you do in life, give it your best. Pour in the passion, outshine all the rest. The wins that you stack are the bricks in your wall, foundation for futures that answer your call. You're carving the path, writing stories in time. Skills in your pocket, turn mountains to climbs. Doors swing wide open when effort is true. The life that you're making is waiting for you. One day you'll look back, see the tower you raised, built grain by grain through the nights and the days. The kid with a dream grew roots in the fight. Now opportunity knocks in the warm morning light. Whatever you do in life, give it your best. Pour in the passion, outshine all the rest. The wins that you stack are the bricks in your wall, foundation for futures that answer your call. You're carving the path, writing stories in time. Skills in your pocket, turn mountains to climbs. Doors swing wide open when effort is true. The life that you're making belongs to you.